Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this video, we're making one of the most basic paracord knife lanyards. For the task at hand, we need 3 feet of paracord 550. You're going to need some sort of a bead. Finally, scissors and a lighter. Now the way that we start tying our lanyard is going to depend on the size as well as shape of the lanyard hole on the handle of our knife. If you have a smaller lanyard hole such as this one here, then I recommend tying your lanyard directly onto the knife. So to start, grab your cord, pass it through the lanyard hole, even out your two ends, then tie your lanyard. In the case that you have a larger, wider lanyard hole, you can simply tie your lanyard beforehand, then attach it using a lark's head knot. Both ways work, it just depends on the attachment point that we have on the handle. So we start tying at the center of our cord. We're going to tie a series of snake knots, in my case a total of 5. So after our snake knots, we attach a bead After the bead, we tie a knife lanyard knot. After tying our knot, we pull in these two strands into the knot, run the slack through the knot into the ends. You will want to tighten up your lanyard knot at least 2 times to remove as much slack from the knot as possible. When done, trim the 2 ends. You can trim them a bit further away or directly at the lanyard knot. Melt the 2 ends. This concludes today's tutorial. A simple, nice-looking knife lanyard. I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you in my future videos as well.